besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. It's me, Gigi, and so short little story time real quick. I made you guys a video, and then when I went to edit it, I realized that I had the wrong setting on the phone and none of the footage would edit. So, oops. I had been looking at videos of ways to make my phone take better video, and one of the settings was not compatible with the editing program, or even with taking video for that matter, because it kept turning off and saying the video was too large. And it was, and it won't edit, and so I don't have any usable footage to share with you guys of how I created these nails. And I'm really happy with how they came out, so I thought what I would do is just go ahead and do it on a tip, because it was not difficult. It was a really simple process, and honestly, throughout the process, I went through varying stages of, wow, I like this, to, wow, what did I do, to, wow, this is getting kind of cool, to, oh my God, I'm in love with this set, which I am. I really, really, I'm super pleased with how it came out. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it pretty basically the same way I did mine. I'm going to come in with this Kiara Sky, which is called Something Sweet. And while I paint this real quick, I'm going to go ahead and talk about something else as well. And that something else is we are at 100 subscribers. So if you are a, I want to say longtime viewer of the channel, but the channel's only a year old, so if you are a friend of the channel, we'll say that instead. I did base coat this, but honestly, you've got to, some nail polishes, gel polishes like to separate a little, and this particular Kiara Sky one is no exception. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp real quick, but we are at 100 subscribers. So I'm going to do a giveaway very soon. It's going to be a subscriber giveaway. I've already got one thing here that I had already ordered from before. I've got a few things that I'm putting together. Glitter mixes and some foils and stuff that I bought recently. So I've also ordered something new. And when that gets in next week, I'm going to demo it for the channel, because I got one for me and one for the giveaway. So 2 are coming in. It's the same way that I did with the, let me grab it. Hold on. The thing that I had originally gotten, which is brand new, but something got on here, so I'm sorry about that. It's totally sealed. It's the modelones glitter colors. It's glitters. So there's that, and then I've got another thing coming, which I will show you guys on the channel when it gets here. And a few various other things. It's not going to be the hugest giveaway in the world because A, it's a small channel. B, I don't have a huge nail budget, and it's my first giveaway. So there you go. That's that. Okay. So, ooh, do you see how I missed that right there? I'm going to fix that real quick. So, while I do that though, thank you guys. If you have clicked the red button and you are one of my first 100, thank you. I just don't think you know how much that means to me, that you have subscribed to me, that you watch my videos, if you leave me comments. I've got a few lovely, amazing people who comment pretty regularly, and thank you guys. I'm not even sure who my actual first subscriber was, but whoever you were, thank you so much. It was probably my daughter. But if it wasn't, if it was, it doesn't matter. Thank you so much. This milestone just, it means so much to me. It just really does. Okay, so let me get back to the tutorial, if you want to call it that. I guess it is. This isn't a new technique. I've seen this around 1,000,001 times. I've just not done it myself before today, so it's just new to me doing it. There you go. That's all. Actually, the last person I saw do it was Be Glamorous Nails, but I've seen Kirsty Meakin do it, and just everyone. I've seen everyone do it. All right. Oh, now that this is cured, what we're going to do is just take a little dot of each of the polishes. When I was doing my nails, I actually did lines, but we're just going to try dots this time and see how it goes. And it's just red and gold and this really deep blue, which maybe we need a tiny bit more blue because that's a lot of red. There we go. There we go. This might be too much polish, actually. We're just going to marble those together a little and then use this brush to pick up the polish. Oh, shit! Guys, I screwed up. First, we're going to paint this and leave it wet. Oops. And we're going to re-pick this up and drag it down the nail. Then I'm just going to let it sit. And you can pull off whatever is extra on there. Maybe be more careful and don't use your fingers. Or wear gloves. Okay, I really like that. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Then I'm just going to come in with some of this white paint. And just being, you know, kind of jaggly and uneven with it. Kind of with this, the messier you are, the better it sort of turns out. Alright, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Okay, now with that same brush, I'm just going to take a little dot of this foil glue, which I will say I've gotten a little better at using. I still can't get a full sheet, but I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. And just in a couple of places, I'm going to bring that in. Just for some shine. My allergies are acting up, so I'm sorry if I'm wheezing a little bit. I might be. I think I just realized maybe you could hear me breathing, and so I'm sorry about that. Normally, I'm doing a voiceover, so I'm trying to control that more. Okay, I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so I've just cut off this little piece. It's just kind of silver, but with a little colorful mishmash in there. And just because I've seen other people do it, and honestly it seems like I do get a little bit of a better result. If I do, I'm just going to take a tiny bit of alcohol on this paper towel and wipe off the back of this. All right, let's see if we could get some stick in here. Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh, we got too much right there, though. I think it might come off, though. Looks like it wants to. Yeah, it does. Excuse me, I shouldn't be humming. Oops. Let's just go in and make sure we got everything here. Darn, it really is wanting to stick to that regular polish, which I didn't really have that much trouble. I guess I didn't really clean off the sticky layer, and that's probably why. There you go. That's totally why. It just came to me. But there we go. We've definitely got the effect we're looking for. You can see that. All right. And now what we can do is come in with some top coat. Honestly, I have this feeling it's going to look so pretty with a matte top coat. So let's do it. What do you say? Let's do it. Because then you can see the contrast between my nails and this nail. And I have also not got to use this matte top coat yet. So that'll be kind of a test for it. Yay. All right, guys, here it is matte, and here's the other one's shiny. So you tell me, what do you like better, matte or shiny? Honestly, I really like them both. It is so hard to decide. The more I look at the matte one, the more I'm like, oh yes, that is fire. Because the like the transfer foil looks like pewter, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, that is the story time of how I messed up today's video, plus the recreation of how I made this set. Let me know in the comment section, do you like the matte or the shiny? Would you wear this set? Is this a marble technique you would use? Or do you prefer the marble all the way filling the nail? I wasn't sure at first when I started this process, but I have to say, now that it's all the layers are put into it, I really like it, guys. All right, we will see you on Friday. And don't forget, if you are not a subscriber, click that subscribe button. We have got a giveaway coming up. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.